Let me check if everything is okay with the stream. Let me check. Okay, there is sound, there is video. Good morning to everyone. Let's do our usual daily Bitcoin analysis. Start from the weekly as usual. It hasn't changed much. It looks bearish. It would be interesting how it's going to close. Right now the daily is very weak, and although we have this green momentum here and VWAP going up and money flow going up, there is virtually no price action, like either going sideways or just not to the upside, which shows that huge weakness in Bitcoin. On the 4-hour, this money flow that is stick in the red is finally starting to get up a little bit, but not too much. As you can see, we will have this resistance at 17.8 for sure. If the price reach there, we can short, I guess, because that's a correction. You can see it's corrective action, corrective price action. Let's see the lower time frames. Yeah, basically the same. 1 hour. On the 1 hour, there might be good time to place a short on the 1 hour. I'm not sure if we'll have some more upside to wreck some shorts, but I don't know. I have to check the lower time frames and basically trade based on that. 45 minutes, much the same. The money flow is lower, as we can see from the last high. And this is, by the way, divergence in the money flow, which is bearish. It might not immediately come down, but it's overall bearish for the next few days. I'll be very careful with the longs, definitely, because it might start dumping again suddenly. 30-minute looks a little bit bullish. 15-minute also. We might have a wave to the upside if we have a green dot here, momentum coming up. One wave, one 15-minute wave, and this 15-minute wave probably is going to take a day or two to get exhausted. On the 5-minute, money flow is going down, so maybe it looks nice for some small scalp, but I don't like how the money flow is going down. It may continue down. Let's see the Ichimoku cloud. Start from the higher time frames. Yeah, we have it's consolidating. We have 18.5 as resistance in the daily, on the daily. Even so, 17.8 at 18.5. These are two resistances that I'll be watching for some rejection if we get there. So we might just resume to the downside. Let's see, 12-hour. Yeah, the Bollinger is falling very rapidly. It's basically shows consolidation. Again, the same levels of resistances. On the 6-hour, you can see we're below the cloud here. Even if we get to 17.8, we might get rejected quickly. And I don't think we're going to break this. Even if we get there, I think we're going to get rejected. I think even below 18.5, the cloud will. You can see how huge is the cloud. The cloud will work as resistance. So can we do some small scalp right now? It's tricky because we are almost in the middle. We don't know if Bitcoin might go up to this level, to 17k again, or it might start breaking the Tenkan-sen and dump. So it's very tricky. We're near the middle of the 1 hour. Usually I don't trade if we have this setup. We are also almost in the middle of the Bollinger, above the quad, above the Ichimoku quad, which is bullish on the lower time frames, at least on the 21 minute. We have support at 16.7, so I'm not sure if we're going to retest this, but if we have a small scalp to the long side, to the upside, this would be our stop loss. If we break this Tenkan-sen 16.7, it's over. It's over. So okay, let me see. 5 minutes coming up. 15 minutes. Seems to be it may pump for a little while, but money flow looks terrible on the 45 minute. It's just very weak. 1 hour also looks terrible. 2 hour the same. So I don't know really. It's the money flow still continues down. Longs, I am shying from longs right now because of the potential what might happen. If you open a long, you can get wrecked very quickly. Scared longs. Let's see the volume delta. The volume delta, yeah, it's consolidating. Nothing really happening. I think that's a little bit bullish because it's going up, something like a bullish divergence, like it's going up, but not much happening. Let's see the Google Trends. Here we're around 50 on the 12 month. So I want to wait. I think there would be another wave to the downside to hit 100 to complete this wave to the downside. So on the 90 day we hit 100, went down. I think we are preparing for another wave to the upside on the interest, which means Bitcoin might start going down again. But we'll see. We'll see where we are headed. Definitely it looks like we already bottomed here, and we broke this 18.5 resist support when we went up in the interest. So I would say, yeah, this is this is part of what I was thinking, that with the interest the price will complete the wave, the final wave to the downside. I think there is more to come to the downside. That's why I'm really scared right now to place a long, although there might be some small opportunity. Strange. Okay. The rewards, the risk reward ratio is not very big for me. That's why I don't want to do anything here. Maybe I can place a wonk. If I place a wonk, I'll take. That's very small for me. Not really. I'm waiting for a better signal. If we test this level at 16.7, maybe I'll place a wonk there. Maybe not. If I see the money flow showing too much weakness. If we go to 17k, above 17k, I'll be looking to short. Just at this level, it's not looking too good right now to do anything. Okay, that's it from me. Happy Friday to everyone, and see you some other day.